Alright, welcome back everyone, and of course you're with Smith Law, and of course thanks for making it to another video. And if you haven't shared, like and subscribe, you can do so now. Well, I did this video sometime before, I uploaded it, but I never got the second part. So I'm going to ask you guys this question and you leave your comments, because I would love to hear some opposing views. Do you think police officers should get tickets if they break the law? Because I saw this and I was really excited to see what was going to happen. So I'm just going to ask you guys to just watch the full of this video and let's get to it.
A point. We'll not prove a point. We'll not prove a point, right? We'll not prove a point, right? Is he proving a point or something? No, but if me disobey a sign, right? Me never realize. Me disobey a sign, right? And he stopped me and realize I'm a serving member. Say something to me and make me go. I tell him pull over and go up. So like a disrespect. That is disrespect. I can't say about right report. Oh. That's what we have a right. You finished with me?
No, Mama, we have to do.
Oh.
We need to put the vehicle in park.
But now, listen. I am going to work. The one who want to after.
And I am working.
I am not putting my vehicle in no park. So I'm sorry.
And you commit an offense?
Alright, write me a ticket. Write me a ticket, officer. I am in my uniform, so write me a ticket. Write me a ticket. We don't have something look like we not prove a point. Something.
Alright, so she is expecting that a courtesy should be extended at all times. I'm not saying that they couldn't let her go, but the truth of the matter is she broke the law. And sadly this is how she behaved. But what do you guys think? Leave your comments, and of course be good and be safe.